Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to fix HDFC Bank application crashing issue on your Android phone. Fixing an app crash such as HDFC Bank application requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve the underlying issues. So in this video, we are going to come across some effective steps to troubleshoot and fix the HDFC Bank application crashing problem. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. Step 1. Restarting the application. Sometimes the application crashes due to temporary glitches. If you are running the application on your device, simply go ahead and force quit the application. Tap on the little menu button at the bottom left and bring up the app switcher. Push off the app card upwards in order to close off any running applications in the background of your Android device. Soon after you do that, open the HDFC Bank app once again from the app drawer. Soon after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the HDFC Bank application. To check that, go and tap open your Google Play Store application from your app drawer. Now go to the search box at the top and type in HDFC and search. Once you come across this application, you will be able to see an update button. If there is an update available for HDFC Bank that is yet to be downloaded by you, tap on the update button to download and install the latest update from HDFC mobile banking application. Step 3. Restart your device. Another thing you can do is to restart your Android device. Press and hold the power switch and restart your smartphone, since this can help clear out temporary system files and resolve any background issues. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Simply go ahead and open the settings button from your Android device. Now, from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on apps. Find the HDFC Bank application from the app list, and once you spot it, simply tap on it to open up the app info page. Now from the app info page, tap on Storage. At the bottom right hand corner, you will be able to see Clear Cache option. Tap on Clear Cache and then tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom left. Soon after you do that, the application will now restart. Simply open the app again and follow through the instructions. Allow necessary permission for the application once again and log into your HDFC Bank application to see if that fixes your issue. If none of the steps above resolved your issue, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the HDFC Bank application, and this can help ensure that you have a clean installation without any corrupted files or settings causing the app to crash. So those were some of the fixes you could try out and follow to fix HDFC Bank application crashing error on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.